Alright, so Godox has released one of the tiniest and most unique microphone. You know, Godox in the past has been making a lot of microphone for content creator, and this one really catch my eyes. This is the Godox Cube SC, and this one is a USB Type-C microphone for your smartphone. So this is just a great microphone that I'm excited to test out. That you guys see right here. Now Godox sent this out to me to do my unboxing and review of, but all of my opinion of this microphone right here is my own, and Godox is not getting to see this video before you guys do. So I'm just gonna give you guys my honest review of this microphone right here. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now and I'm testing out this microphone right here. As you can see right here, I have the dead cat on it. Now the breeze is actually blowing a bit right here, and this is just the sound quality of the microphone outdoor like this. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to also use the camera itself without the microphone on, but the microphone is on right now and I'm outside and I'm recording. So let me know how you guys think this actually sounds. So what I've done right now guys, I have disconnected the microphone right here. As you guys can see, there's no microphone connected, and this is just the sound quality of it right now, which you guys have been hearing onto this phone right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So inside the package right here guys, we have the Godox microphone which come inside this. Inside the box we also have the user manual which you can actually go through. We have some stickers right here which come inside the package, which can put on your microphone to hide it away discreetly. Inside the package we have the Godox microphone right here, and it comes in this little cube looking thing right here. Also inside the package, this dead cat, which is gonna go on your receiver. Also we have two clips right here, magnetic clips. We have a pin. Now inside we have a strap, and we have a USB to USB Type-C right here. Now inside the cube we have the microphone right here. Looks something like that. This dangles right here is for the USB Type-C. They also have a dangles as well for the lightning port, and this is just the microphone right here. You guys can see how tiny this is, very tiny. And this case right here also a charging case. So once you have them inside of a case like this, it will actually charge up your device. Now this one is gonna take power directly from your source. So you plug it inside your mobile phone, you're gonna take power directly from this right here. So this part doesn't really need to be charged. Now once you put it in a case like this, it will show a light which indicate that it is being charged. Right here you can see we have a USB Type-C right there which gonna charge it from this right here. So this can hold some good amount of power which can be able to charge your two microphone receiver right inside. So I have both of the microphone right now connected. As you guys can see, I have one right here and right back I have one right there. So we are not so close to each other. So if you actually talk, the mic will actually pick it up right here because there's two of them which come inside right here. So let me know what you guys think about this, and let me know if you guys are hearing him as well, so you can just speak in the camera.
Check mic 1 2.
Yeah, microphone check 1 2.
Yeah,
you guys are hearing me clearly, and we're just going through right now in a vlogging situation like this. Alright guys, so I'm out here right now and I'm recording the video on the iPhone 16 Pro Max right here. I'm going to test the range of this microphone right here. So I'm going to go further away outside right here, and let me know if you guys still hearing me onto this microphone right here. So I'm just backing further away from the camera right here, and I'm still speaking. I'm gonna see if you guys still can hear me. So I'm about 10 meters right now from the camera right here, and you guys probably still can hear me. I'm gonna go further away as well. I'm gonna turn my back and actually still continue to speak. So I'm still speaking right now. So I'm at least 20 meters right now out. I'm not sure exactly. And let me know if you guys still can actually hear me right here onto this microphone. And alright, so I'm right here right now. And let me know if you guys still can hear me as well. I'm not sure if you guys still can see me right now on the camera, and I'm speaking right now. And let me know if you guys still can hear me as well. So I'm about 70 meters out right now from the camera, and let me know if you guys still can hear me as well right here. So you guys probably barely can see me right here, out here. Yeah, so if you guys can hear me, that will be a plus. As you guys can hear from that previous footage, that the sound quality of this microphone right here is really great, and also the range of this right here is really good as well. As you guys can see, I've done a test with the microphone and it's pretty decent, so it can get a good range out of this microphone right here. So this is one of the most tiniest microphone with one of the best sound quality that you can think of on the market right now. So it's a great mic, and it's something that I will use and recommend. So the link for this, guys, will be down in the description, so make sure to check the description box if you want to check this microphone out. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.